No, calm down, you're not drifting. Nonsense. Hi guys, welcome back to Jonny and Chrissy.
Jonny is behind the camera.
Yes, he is. He's right there. I just need somebody to videotape me. Sorry, babe. Alright, but today we're gonna make Ponche De Creme.
Drunkard.
Yeah, we're turning a drunkard today. Because usually the other days we don't be. But I'm just gonna like show you all the recipe, like, and I like some people was asking like, you know, how you make it and whatever, because like not everybody makes it.
Yeah.
So I said, you know what, let's just make it today. You know, could learn from here. Take it. No, give it back. Alright, so let me just go through all these stuff that you would need to make this. First, you will need your blender. You need your big bowl to mix everything up after. So I have my 1.5 condensed milk. I have 4 eggs. I have the white milk. Well, I guess that's how strong you want it to be. So I might just put a half bottle or 2 cups, 2 cups of it. I have my bitters, 1 tablespoon of bitters. I have 1 lime peel. I'm going to use 4 cups of the evaporation milk. Sorry, evaporated milk. I'm going to use 4 cups of that. And I have my spice. I'm going to use a tablespoon of spice and the Nut Meg, a tablespoon of that as well. So yeah. I'm going to blend up my 4 eggs so I can kind of break it up a bit. Now I'm going to put it in my big bowl. Yeah, I'm going to mix in my lime peel. Okay, just kind of mix it in a bit. Mix it in for like a minute or 2. Right? Put in the egg so you can take out the lime peels out of this. And then I'm just going to pour this back because now we're going to add all the other ingredients. And with this, right? So you're adding your Nut Meg, the spice, the bitters, the milk, and your condensed milk. Ooh, child. Everything together so everything can settle properly. The most important thing.
Wow.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But no, I don't. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay. I got this.
That's what we was making like smoothie before.
So like I said, I'm using 2 cups, right? You don't know, you guys. Right? Should I?
Nah.
I don't want to be a drunkard. Oh my gosh. Look at where it reached. But I just poured the whole bottle. I shouldn't. Yo, Johnny's trying to make me be a drunken.
No, that's contract.
Alright, so you can serve this with some ice. Alright, you guys.
Who's the sample?
Mom?
Me.
Oh, you want to? Okay. Alright, so after you pour it into the bottles, we put in 3 cloves in each to preserve it, right? It's the final touch, you guys. It tastes real nice though.
Yeah.
No, I honestly like it. I thought it would have been stronger than this. I like it. I really like it. Come taste. No, calm down. You're not drifting. Nonsense. Ollie, I really like how this come out. I really like how this come out. You should try it and let me know how it come out.
That's actually one of the best contract I've ever seen.
Yeah, and well, the rest you have to put it in bottles and like put it in the refrigerator and all of those. But for now, let's enjoy. Goodbye. I am. It's nice. It's really nice though. Okay. Because I'm not supposed to be drifting. It's supposed to be enjoyable. Alright, bye.